Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get special shop tickets in Pokemon TCG Pocket. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to boot up the game. And once you're in the lobby, just go ahead and tap on shop right here and wait for it to load. Once you're in here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find the section special shop tickets right here. When you tap on it, you can see here it says you don't have enough items. The special shop ticket is obtainable by consuming high rarity cards in My Cards, and it is used to exchange for special accessories or items at a shop. Now, where do you get this item? When you tap on the magnifying glass right here at the top right, shop ticket, it is called shop ticket, obtainable by completing event missions or from step-up battles, and it is used to exchange for accessories or items at the shop. Once you get shop tickets, just go ahead and go to special shop ticket and buy this one. Now, where do we use this special shop tickets? When you go to the bottom of your phone and scroll a bit right here, scroll to the right, alright, tap on special. Here, you will be able to see and purchase special series accessories. Alright, for example, here's special set 1, Pokemon coin, card sleeve, playmat, backdrop, cover. Alright, once you have the amount of special tickets, just go ahead and select your favorite special set and buy it from here. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.